Hello, Lily.
Hello.
Junior?
Whoa!
Junior?
Junior?
Junior, what are you doing up there? Come down! It's too windy!
This is just like the fun fair! Give us 2 seconds! Woohoo!
2 seconds is all it takes for you to land in trouble!
Twinkle Toes Jr.
Oh no, my beach back!
You won't be doing any surfing up here, Mr. Kahuna.
Really? Watch me.
Hang on tight, Moon Doggy.
Yeah!
Diesel's hijacked him.
What's gonna happen to Junior now?
Well, my family is usually pretty good at getting themselves out of trouble. Eventually.
I don't know what eventually means, but it sounds very, very long.
Where's Lily?
I wish I knew. I'm sorry, Mr. Stone. She wasn't at the station when I went back for her.
It's okay, Patch. We'll find her. Don't worry.
I am brave. I am brave. Thomas says I'm brave, so I'm brave. Oh, it's not easy being brave. Shiver my pistons! They splatter and dodge. Oh, they found the buffers. Oh, now what's going to happen?
Howdy, partner. Excuse me, coming through. Pardon me.
Oh, that's just nothing. That nothing was something.
These must be the buffers Diesel's looking for.
Are we supposed to go through them?
Oh, not we, you.
Oh, not me, you.
This is a job for the boss.
Whoa! We'll tell him tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow's good.
Oh, I better hurry back and warn Thomas.
I was doing my best to keep Lily cheerful. I knew she was worried about being late for her grandpa.
Mr. Conductor, I was supposed to be back by sunset.
You know, Lily, perhaps your grandpa can guess where you are.
He can?
Maybe. Because I think he's been here himself long ago. And if he can help, I do wish he'd hurry. I haven't told Junior this, but soon he'll grow as weak as I am.
Junior said there used to be an engine that traveled on the Magic Railroad. And if only we could find that, we could still head back to Shining Time.
Oh, that engine disappeared. Never to be seen or heard from again.
I have to tell you something, Mr. C. I've heard a train whistle, and it sounded like it was coming from the mountain.
Mountain. I just remembered another part of the clue. Stoke up the magic in the mountain, and the lady will smile. But we need more information, Lily. And I know that your grandpa could help if he would just believe that he could.
Lady?
She can whistle. I've heard her.
Yeah. So have I. It's because she's magic.
This must be the map of her magic railroad. But the railroad's energy is fading away. I sensed it when we were out riding. Lily and I were traveling on the ground above it.
The railroad needs Lady. But I don't know her special secret. And I need to know it now more than ever.
Because of Lily?
Yes, because of Lily.